Hey guys, welcome. Today I just wanted to show you what we've been working on. Just finishing up this cute little guy. This is the doll that I made for my grandmother, and he's about done. I should have him done in the next day or two, but just got his hair on. He looks so adorable. I wanted to show that to you. And then also wanted to show you our pretty mermaid. Dun, dun, dun. This is how her tail turned out. Look at that. I got some cute little bubble beads on her too that are just adorable. We'll keep going on up that body so you can see how she turned out. Quite pretty. I like how she turned out there. See if I can adjust it just a little bit. Anyway, I made her to kind of get us excited about the mermaid contest that's coming up. And so you'll be able to see footage of how I sculpted her face that I'll have added into the mermaid contest content online. And then I've done some videos on Facebook to kind of show you how I did this particular tail. And I'll have links to those on the online version of the mermaid contest class as well. So there's that. And then what I've been working on next is a little mermaid to kind of go along with her. I want this one to be kind of like our little daughter, or just something with the same type of fin and tail, except young like this. So she's quite young here. Anyway, that's what I've been working on lately, and it's been so fun. Here's how she looks size-wise compared to our cotton candy ballerina. We've got a sculpt box out on this one. And so body-wise, it's pretty close to this size of a doll. And so if you're interested in learning how to sculpt a body that's in this size, look at the Cotton Candy Ballerina Sculpt Box, or also we have the Snowball Fairy that will show you how to do a full body that's this younger size, except Snowball Fairy is more like a toddler type size. Here's what a cute little Snowball Fairy looks like, and her little sculpt box is on sale this week. So if you are interested in learning how to sculpt a little fairy like this, she's got some cute little wings that come with her too. They need to get glued in place. But she also has this cute little bottom. So she has a lot more of a little toddler body. Isn't that cute though? She's a good size. I like this size because then her face is actually about the size of the little baby dolls that I've been making. Like these little ones. She's got a face that's similar in size to that. And this is a nice size to sculpt. When I was working on these tinier ones for like this little mermaid, that one was a little tricky just because it's so tiny. Tiny little face. Look at the difference in size. So I think I'll probably start doing more things that are about this size because I think that's going to be easier for a lot of us, right? Anyway, that's what we've got going on this week. I hope you'll be able to stop by at Making Fairies and see the fun projects we've got for you. Check out the blog. I've got a lot of videos there, especially everything that I've been doing on Facebook Live. So you can see how that mermaid came together and a lot of other fun stuff on there for you. So thanks so much for being a part of Making Fairies and Art Dolls. Take care.